If you want to create a new form from a template, select the Forms icon in the sidebar. Click Create Forms and click See Recommendations. In our case, let's select Vacation Request. If you select a template, you get a head start for a functional report that you can use as is or edit it to fit your specific use case. In the Settings menu, you can create an optional command to trigger your form from the chat. Select a channel for reporting and select who can see the responses, among other features like secure selection before saving. Once you save your form, you can send it to a channel quickly to start receiving responses right away. In the chat, users will see a message from DailyBot asking them to fill out your form. If you want to fill it out right there, click Fill Out Form to get a pop-up window with the form. And if you set up a channel for responses, you will immediately find any incoming requests in there. Your forms can be set up at any moment to run an approval workflow. In the Forms homepage, find the form you want to edit and click the 3 dots at the right side of the screen to open up the contextual menu. Click Edit Form to change your form settings. In the Setup menu, scroll down until you see the option Use Form for Approval Flow. Once you turn it on, you can select a few form approvers that will be notified when someone fills out a new request. Save your form once you're set. In the chat, use your command to trigger your form. With the approval flow turned on, now you can send or receive requests, like in the case of vacation request forms. After someone submits a response, eligible approvers will get a notification in chat where they can approve or reject these incoming requests. Submitters will also get an alert in chat notifying them of the verdict of their request. In the Forms homepage, you can find all the responses from the forms you released to the public, including a summary with charts to quickly visualize what's going on in your form. Public forms at DailyBot are a great way to poll the public opinion, with the added benefit that you can always send all the incoming information to a channel in your chat to keep track of everything from a more convenient place. Go to your form's configuration in the Setup menu to open up your form to the public. After you turn on the option, Allow Public Responses, you can choose to make name and email mandatory, or even set your own branding. You can also make responses anonymous. Save your changes to continue. Now it's time to see the results. Let's try opening our newly public form from a private window. It works. Don't forget to set up and check in your reporting channel for incoming responses. In the Forms homepage, find the form you want to manage and click the 3 dots at the right side of the screen to open up the contextual menu. The option Notify on Channel lets you add a channel that DailyBot will use to ask your teammates to fill out your form. You can also export your form responses if you need to. Click Configure to edit your form's current questions and other parts of its setup like its command, reporting channel, or privacy settings.